Okay, so let's continue our workspace tour by looking at the Workspace Preferences. So if you haven't, please go back to View, Workspace Layouts, Compact for now, so that you're looking at the same thing as me. Okay, so now you possibly don't have the same colors on your stage as me because you're looking at the default colors and I've changed mine. So we'll take a look at that right now. But first, please go to Project, Window Settings, and reduce the size of your project slightly here by typing in the width and height fields the value 350, as I've done here, and I'll leave it for a sec so you can see, and then click the OK button, because this is going to allow you a little better to see what the stage shadow does. So let's go to Edit, Preferences, and in this area let's click on the Environment link here. Okay, so this is our environment or our workspace colors. As you see here, you've got the stage colors, you've got the selected object colors, you've got a page shadow option, and you've got docking window themes. Okay, I'm going to leave the docking window themes up to you to experiment with, as well as some of the colors, but we're going to take a look at the stage colors. The background is the area around the stage. The page shadow, if it's checked, will show a little stage shadow around the right hand side and bottom of the stage. So let's click yellow for the background so that we can see what it looks like. Okay, and then let's go back to Edit Preferences, and in the environment area let's add the page shadow, and you can see the difference between the two. Okay, so that's what the page shadow does, and you can set it for any color you like. In my case, it kind of throws me off, so I usually don't have it on. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off, and I enjoy having a black background, so I'm just going to go ahead and check that. And we'll just quickly take a look at a couple other workspace options here. There's some preferences available for your grid. You can set the colors, you can set the visibility, you can set the size of the cells in the grid, and you can set the size or style, of the lines. They can be straight lines or dots. In the rulers link here, you can actually set the visibility and colors for the rulers, and in the snap area you can actually set up a snap to grid function. So that's kind of a workspace preference as well. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and press OK to close this, and that is a quick look at our workspace preferences. We've already looked at the pane, how you can pin and unpin it, and we've looked at the workspace preferences. So now we're going to look at the really cool feature that follows these two, which is how to save and restore and delete workspaces.